Hello, all you good people. It's Ernest Yancey. I run Upgrade Co., where we help creators, brands, companies, and coaches scale to seamlessly heights using paid and organic strategies and systems. In this video, I'm going to be going exactly how to structure your mid-ticket offer, how to create your mid-ticket offer, and the funds that's going to be received from your mid-ticket offer if you run it correctly, and how to scale your mid-ticket offer to help you run a 100K month coaching business and a 100K a month creator business. So if you want to learn exactly how to run these, stay tuned in this video and let's dive in.
So what is your mid-ticket offer? What does it do for your business? Your mid-ticket offer is going to be serving as a bridge between your low-ticket offer and your high-ticket offers, providing tangible results while building trust and confidence in your expertise. Your mid-ticket offer is going to be highlighting its role in generating you significant revenue while nurturing your leads toward your high-ticket offer. Your mid-ticket offer is going to bridge that gap from a not-so-qualified lead. And when I mean not so qualified, I mean not so qualified as to buy your high ticket offer, but still going to provide results and warm that lead up from a low ticket offer. So when that lead is ready to purchase your high ticket offer, they got enough results and they've been warmed up to trust your high ticket offer. And it's going to be basically smooth chicken from there. It's going to be smooth. Your mid ticket offer is going to warm up these leads for not a high cost and going to bring those leads to your high ticket offer. As I said before, your mid ticket offer is going to be used as a solution and offering more value than your low ticket offer, but less exclusive than your high ticket offer. It's going to be targeting warm leads who are ready for a higher commitment and build trust for upselling those leads into higher ticket offers. As I said before, it's going to be bridging the gap between your introductory and your premium level coaching. Your mid-ticket offer is going to bring those leads that are not yet ready to purchase that high ticket offer, but ready to see what you offer so they can see results quick. What is your mid-ticket offer used for? Let's go over it. Upselling warm leads. So it's going to be bringing those low qualified leads, those low ticket leads, and upselling those leads into a high ticket offer. It's going to be bridging that gap. It's going to be building trust and authority, delivering tangible results, delivering tangible wins. So those people in those mid-ticket offers are going to be getting wins effortlessly, going to be creating your revenue streams, going to be filtering qualified leads. So you're not dealing with low qualified leads who don't want to get into the high ticket offer, but still want to see results. You're going to be filtering those qualified leads. You're going to be nurturing hesitant leads. As I said before, those leads that are not quite ready to get into your high ticket offer, but want to see results that you offer through your value. And it's going to be community building. Your mid-ticket offer is going to have a community. So your people that are purchasing your mid-ticket offer are still warmed and have a community of people who are expertise in that niche around them. So they're uplifted and they're warmed up to purchase your high ticket offer, which is going to be that one-on-one mentorship, etc. I'm going to drop a video on the high ticket offer, but right now I'm just going over the mid-ticket offer. So how should you structure your mid-ticket offer? First, your mid-ticket offer should be result oriented. People that join your mid-ticket offer should see results in the next week. It's going to be fast. You're not going to be giving that one-on-one mentorship like you would in the high ticket offer, but you're going to be having group calls. You're going to be doing things of that nature to make sure those people that are in your mid-ticket offer are still getting results that are tangible. Second, interactive and engaging. Third, should be providing exclusive resources in your mid-ticket offer. You're going to be using real-world applications so people that are in your mid-ticket offer can apply this to their lives and change it and see results from it. It's going to be showing a high perceived value with clear return on investment. So people that invest in your mid-ticket offer can see the value in it and it's going to get value from it. It should be scalable yet personalized. So you can scale your mid-ticket offer, but still provide that personalized that the low-ticket offer might not be providing. You're going to be providing community access. You're going to be providing upsell opportunities, and you're going to be building trust with your mid-ticket offer. This is what your mid-ticket offer should be. This is how you should structure your mid-ticket offer. So what should your mid-ticket offer contain? I need to change this to mid-ticket. So what should your mid-ticket offer contain? quick and easy actionable solutions, case studies or templates. It should have a high perceived value, and it should be targeting a specific ideal customer profile. You want to do this so your mid-ticket offer is actionable and implementable. So when people do apply this, they're seeing results and they're warmed up to your high ticket offer, because ultimately you want to get people into your high ticket offer so you can generate more revenue and change more people's lives one-on-one. Example of a mid-ticket offer for fitness coaching could be 6-week group training with workout plans, nutrition guidance, and weekly check-ins. Business coaching, going to be intermediate course bundle with templates, case studies, and private Q&A sessions. Mindset coaching, 4-week mastermind program focused on productivity and breaking limiting beliefs. Copywriting coaching, going to be personalized feedback on 5 projects or a private training session. And then e-commerce coaching, a guide to scaling from 10K a month to 50K a month with group calls and ad templates. These are all the prices you should be hosting your mid-ticket offer on. And yeah. So let's go into examples of components in your mid-ticket offer. You can add workshop or training series. You can add group coaching. You can add exclusive resources. You should add community access, and you should add implementation guides. So when you add all of these, it makes your mid-ticket offer scalable, personalized, and easy to implement in their lives. So when they see results from these mid-ticket offers, they're more than likely to purchase your high-ticket offer because they seek that one-on-one mentorship. And the objective of your mid-ticket offer, to monetize warm leads. This is going to be converting leads who already purchased your low-ticket offer and are primed for further investment. Bridge the gap between low and high-ticket offers. Going to be offering a more comprehensive solution than your low-ticket product, preparing clients for the high-value experience of your high-ticket offer. So clients would want to purchase your high-ticket offer to see more value and to see better results. You're going to be building trust and authority. You're going to be establishing deeper trust and credibility by delivering measurable results and a higher level of value. You're going to be increasing your customer's lifetime value, which is your CLV. You're going to be maximizing the revenue potential of your leads by guiding them through a more lucrative customer journey. This is what you're going to do while you're increasing your customer lifetime value. You're going to be providing scalable yet valuable services. This is delivering impactful solutions at scale, such as group coaching or advanced framework, ensuring profitability without one-on-one investment. You're going to be qualifying leads for your high-ticket offer, identifying serious result-driven clients who are ready to commit to your personalized high-ticket services. You're going to be offsetting acquisition and nurturing costs. You're going to be covering marketing, retargeting, and nurturing expenses while maintaining profitability through mid-ticket scale. And lastly, you're going to be creating upsell opportunities. And naturally, you're going to be positioning your high ticket offer as the next logical step for clients seeking even greater value and personalized support. So this is the objectives of your mid-ticket offer. If you have any questions, let me know. Still got more of the video to go through. So this is the lead flow of how you should run a mid-ticket offer to a high ticket client. So let's say a lead purchases your mid-ticket offer. The lead buys your mid-ticket offer, signaling an interest in further investment. Day 1, they get hit with email and SMS welcoming, and they're going to be going through an orientation. Day 3, they get hit with a success story SMS or success story through email. Day 5, they get hit with additional value and an upsell opportunity. Day 7, they get hit with urgency and an invitation to book a call for your high ticket. If they book the call, the setter or the dialer reaches out to confirm a call. If they don't book, they get hit with weekly SMS and email follow-ups. If they do book a call, the closer hops on the call, close the lead for the money, and hit them with the orientation. So flow recap. Your low ticket offer, somebody buys your low ticket offer, then they go to a mid-ticket offer purchase. They get hit with post-purchase sequences. They get hit with value add and upsell opportunities. They get hit with urgency and get hit with a high ticket invitation. They go through a sales call. They convert to a high ticket client. So let's go over the math. So let's say your mid-ticket offer is for $497. You have 20,000 followers. If 15% of your followers convert, that's 15% of your 20,000 followers, which is 3,000 warm leads. Let's say 3,000 warm leads purchase your mid-ticket offer of $497. That's 1.4, almost $1.5 million in revenue. And let's say that's on the low end. Let's say the high end, 20% of your followers convert into warm leads and purchases your mid-ticket offer. If 20% of your followers convert and purchase your mid-ticket offer, that's almost $2 million in revenue. So summary, 50% of your 20,000 followers convert, that's 1.5. 20%, that's almost 2. So you see the math, you see how lucrative it is. And if you're a creator that wants to work, or if you're a coach that wants to work and apply this to your business, my Instagram is going to be in my bio. Make sure you hit me up on Instagram. Or if you're an operator that wants to start creating this for a creator or a coach, hit me. My Instagram is going to be in the bio. You can see more. You can find out more. And let's get to it. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, comment, do all of that good stuff. All right, it's Ernest with Upgraded Co, and I'll see you guys later in the next video.
Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.